Hi everyone, it's Tita and welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you a really effective but super quick nail art design for when your clients want something a little bit extra but you only have 1 minute. So let's get started. So to complete our look today, I will be using the Nail Perfect Soak Off Gel Polish, and this is number 32 in Gorgeous Punk, as well as the matte black and the matte white foils. So I've already started off by doing 2 coats of the gel polish and cured in between each layer. With the final layer, I have cured it for 30 seconds in an LED lamp. I have left the top layer tacky because that is what we will be pressing our foil into. So I've already cut 2 strips of foil and I will start by literally scrunching up both bits of foil. So just roll them in between your fingers into a little ball and then unravel them. Your foil should look a little something like this. So you do want them to look quite distressed. Make sure you do start off with the shiny side up and the matte side down. You'll notice with all transfer foils that there will be one side a little bit more matte than the other. The matte side is the side that does actually transfer. So what we want to do is literally just press over super quick, and then I go over with the black. And then we're done. I'm just going to quickly add a top coat. I have noticed with a lot of the matte designs, once you do add a gloss top coat, the entire design pops. So I'm going to cure that in my LED lamp for 30 seconds. Okay, we are completely cured and this is the final look. Do keep in mind that if you do want to do a full set, make sure you keep the tacky layer on all your designs. Be really careful at this point. It is super easy for any little hairs and any little bits of fluff to get on there. Once it does stick to the top layer of your gel polish, it can ruin the entire design. I can get a full set of 10 nails like this in under 60 seconds. The longest part of your design is literally taking them out of the rolls, cutting them up and distressing them. And that was the 60-second distressed matte foil nail look. Thanks for watching, guys. If you did enjoy this video, make sure to like and subscribe. Let me know what videos you do want to see next, and I will see you all next time. Bye!